Asante my G, asante.
Na usiwaenda huko ukaanza kuongea mbaya juu ya waheshimiwa.
Nyinyi mnachoma. Nilisema ukweli. If the shoe fits.
No. Did you hear this guy's talk?
But ilikuwa ni ukweli.
But the question is, why couldn't you call me and tell me?
No, it was just not addressed to you, your one MP. Impeachment mnakimbiza mbio sana lakini shift mmekata kucancel.
In parliament there's something called order paper. All right? So that is something this guy doesn't know. So order paper shows what is important on that day or what is being discussed, okay? So in the order paper, members of parliament can see that members of Kisii County have brought in a conversation about tea issues in Kisii.
Okay.
Would I be able to know what tea and problems in Kisii are? No, I might not be able to know. But we have like 30 members from Kisii who already know the problem that they are going through, all right? So they will be in a better position to talk about that issue. That's why you sometimes see empty seats in parliament. It's called order paper, all right? An issue like impeachment is an issue that covers the whole country, is an issue, safe and everything. It has not been brought. When it's brought next week, it will also be full because not everyone supports it and not everyone opposes it. Are you now learned kidogo?
Mimi sasa mimi unanisomea ni kama mimi pia ni mheshimiwa.
Umesikia kidogo?
Nyinyi mtusaidie hii mambo
ya can I guys ask you something?
Okay.
If the order paper, for example, has issues to do with, let's say, tobacco planting in Malakisi, Bungoma County, does it affect Langata?
No.
All right? But there are leaders from Bungoma who already know. There might be 20 or 30 of them. Do I have to speak or give them a chance to speak more? They'll speak more. True or false?
Okay.
So Google about order paper before you start talking. Na ukianza kunitukana hivyo, nita-cancel leave that. But this is my boy, this is my son, and I love you so much, my brother.
Asante,
keep on doing what you're doing. What you're doing is right. Yes. Turudi huko.
Kumba
kutoka hapa kidogo.
Muhesh, niko na swali about MP Salasia. He mentioned you are his good friend na anakupenda sana. But kuna vitu ambavyo Salasia utupostia pale na watu unapata wamekutega wanasema Muhesh ongelesha rafiki yako. Maybe what's your take on whatever he does on social media, dramas?
Salasia is one of the most hard-working MPs ever. If you follow Salasia, you'll see the work that he's doing. Not everybody understands who Salasia is. There's a time he likes to post what he posts, but then there's a time to work. So Salasia is not only an MP, but also a top content creator. So you guys need to follow him more. You need to understand him more. But